First of all, install TestFlight first. Once you're in, type on the search bar TestFlight. Click on TestFlight where it shows on the bar. Then install the first on the top. Click Install, but I have it already. Go to Safari Google. Type departures.to. Once you're in, click the Search button. Type Aerofly FS. Click on the button where it says Aerofly FS Global. Click Join TestFlight. And again, ignore the TestFlight code request. It'll take you to the installation site. Then, press Install. It'll take 1 hour and a half an hour. If you don't understand what's half an hour, it's 30 minutes. Done. Now wait.